DJI Avata 2, the best FPV drone on the market in 2025. The Avata 2 is an FPV drone designed to make first-person flight accessible to everyone, including beginners. Weighing only 410 grams, this model has a robust construction with integrated propeller guards for greater durability. The compact design makes it easy to maneuver and transport, and the drone is still equipped with a camera capable of recording in 4K at 100 frames per second. The camera is stabilized by the Rocksteady digital stabilization system, which ensures smooth video even with fast movements. Avata 2 also has a wide 155-degree field of view, which enhances visual immersion. For the FPV experience, the drone is accompanied by DJI Goggles 3, packing 1080p resolution at 100 Hz. The drone uses the DJI O3 Plus transmission system, which provides a video transmission range of up to 10 kilometers, ensuring a stable and high-quality connection. The flight time is 23 minutes, respectable for an FPV drone, which allows for long flights. The Avata 2 includes a rear and downward obstacle detection system, which adds a layer of safety. This system detects obstacles in the drone's path, reducing the risk of collision and making the flight safer, especially for beginners. The DJI Avata 2 is an ideal choice for those who want to learn FPV without the usual risks associated with building custom FPV drones, as it offers an immersive and safe flight experience. The immersive FPV experience and rugged design make it suitable for both professional videographers and enthusiasts who want to explore first-person flight. It works great, so a big thumbs up from here. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers.